Welcome to Technical Sage, the next tech revolution. Google just launched an excellent new feature for Android. Whenever we talk about the well-known word spam, only thing that comes to our mind is the emails and messages. As spam is one of the most feared content by users of all types of devices, and among all those devices the smartphones are especially prone and vulnerable to this type of delivery. Hence, to defeat this and to protect all the Android users from this well-known term, spam, the tech giant Google just launched an awesome new feature that will simply help you to get rid of spams. As the well-known term, of course, spam not only affects Android devices, even the tech giant Apple's so-called most secured iPhones are not free of this type of content that usually sneaks through the gaps of the system without the user's consent. We all know very well that Android smartphones are easy targets for all the spam that circulates on the internet and usually seeks to reach our Android devices in the most stealthy way possible. But, now according to the latest reports, some Android users have received a new notification which is simply notifying them about the arrival of a new anti-spam system. Yes, finally, to defeat this, the tech giant Google pushed a new anti-spam system for all the Android users that you can enable for messages on Android. As this new update integrates completely a new anti-spam system on Android that simply prevents or blocks these types of messages from reaching the Android device. Spam 1597 by 1024, Google just launched an excellent new feature for Android. Spam 2598 by 1024, Google just launched an excellent new feature for Android. Basically, it is a function that belongs to the Messages app, through which we usually receive SMS messages on our Android device, and precisely one of the main ways of infection of spam within our Android devices. While if we talk about the other form, then let me clarify that among all those forms, the email spam is the most common, but it has always been closely followed by the one we suffer in text messages. However, we must say that it is a good starting point initiated by the tech giant Google to destroy spam from other areas of our smartphone, although we must bear in mind that in order to carry out this Google feature, we must send the information from our messages to the tech giant Google's analyzing team simply for the analyzation. So, what do you think about this? Simply share all your views and thoughts in the comment section below. Welcome to Tech